Number 2 is HP SmartTank 6001 All-in-One Printer. In today's vibrant world of printing possibilities, where colors come alive and imaginations take flight, finding the perfect sublimation printer is like discovering a treasure chest of creative wonders. And guess what? I've unearthed a gem just for you. It was introducing the magnificent HP SmartTank 6001 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free ink printer, a true game-changer in sublimation printing. This marvel combines affordability and excellence, offering an experience that's simply out of this world. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, this printer is a true superhero for families and creative enthusiasts. Picture this: printing, copying, and scanning all rolled into one seamless, intuitive package. The HP Smart app takes convenience to new heights, allowing you to print, scan, and copy from your phone whenever and wherever inspiration strikes. But that's not all. The HP SmartTank 6001 is fully loaded with savings. It comes with up to 2 years' worth of original HP ink bottles, granting you the power to print up to a staggering 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages straight out of the box. Imagine the possibilities! So if you are inquisitive about this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.